Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to upgrade from Windows 10 Home Edition to Pro Edition. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Activation. Click Change Product Key. Paste the product key for Windows 10 Pro Edition. Click Start Upgrade. Restarting Windows. Adding new features. Display, Edition upgrade completed. Check the edition of Windows. Type WinVer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.